Wow, it's been a while, and you can't even see my hands. Anyways, it's been a while, and it's also
Hi.
you also made a new friend.
Hello.
Over that time, that's how long it's been.
Yeah.
Alrighty, moving.
Okay, I'm moving in.
Alrighty, a lot of stuff's gonna happen. We're gonna do that stuff in other videos, but for now, we're gonna do something fun. You've all seen us play it before.
I'm scared. I haven't played.
What's that smell? She's gonna go first, of course. Alright.
Who said I was gonna go for?
Okay, bye guys. Alrighty. Her name is Lily. Close your eyes. Lily, close your
I
eyes.
prefer Lily though.
Alrighty, Liliana. Hey, close your eyes. Hey. Alrighty, guys. So this is what it is.
Where's the gun?
Alrighty, Lily. Smell.
I don't know where you are.
Smell. What does it smell like?
That smells like diarrhea.
Alright, smell deeper in there.
No, I'm not. That smells.
I'll grab her head. Yep, I got her head, Nicholas. I got her head. Don't do that. It's fine.
Help me.
Okay, stop. You can open your eyes, Lily, by the way. Alright, sniff this.
It smells disgusting. I don't know what it is.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I have a weird. It does not smell like.
Yeah, I think I brushed it too much.
It does not.
Do not brush to release smell. Wait, let me sniff.
That
smells like apples.
Yeah, that's what I thought at first. Oh, that has a real.
Alrighty, Jordan, it's your turn.
Okay, I actually want to see it.
Close your eyes, Jordan. I will stab my eyes with my knees. Ah! Okay, Jordan. Okay, open up. Okay, my sniff. Mint. In my eyes.
Let me smell.
Not even close. Licorice.
That does not smell like what's supposed to smell like.
Licorice.
No. Wait, is there any bad smells in this?
Yeah. Yes.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Yeah.
It's orange.
Yes. Did you not? How did you not know that? Let me sniff. Oh my goodness! What the flip? Okay.
Also, I have my own
YouTube channel.
Me. Okay. I also have my own YouTube channel, but don't. Yeah, I know. My YouTube videos are whole. I love how you just like don't. Okay, wait, I need to open it up.
Just show it to them. Show it to the people that do not want to see. Is this a bad smell or a good smell? It's a good smell. Okay. Oh. Garlic. Garbage. We are disposing of this.
I don't want.
There's garlic in there, guys, so be careful. We are.
I actually like the smell of garlic.
I like garlic. We are disposing this.
Yes, please.
Alrighty. Smells worse than garlic. So what we're gonna do? We are going to break this. And we are going to melt it in this extremely bright light the camera can't even catch on. We are going to burn it. Alright.
No, that's actually gonna burn the house down. Just throw it out the window.
Oh, that's a good idea. Let me catch it. It's thrown out the window.
It smells. I don't know what it smells like, but I'm happy I don't.
Alrighty. We're disposing of this out the window. Like that, birds. Sniff that, birds. Right.
Hello. Let me in the camera.
Oh my goodness, guys. Put this down. That's a good hairstyle for you.
I know. This is what This is gonna be my new hairstyle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lily, you're up.
Good.
Yeah.
Actually,
Lily, you're up. Sit down, people. Sit down. Lily, Jordan's in the middle.
You look so
Jordan, stop doing this stuff.
Jordan,
come on. Okay, Jordan, come on.
Now time to catch him. Now time to catch him. No, I want to catch him, please.
Jordan, sit in the back normal.
Okay, sit normally. You're free.
You're free. Sit normally, Jordan. And get back here where all we are.
Okay.
No,
I
Jordan,
did
move
take
back
my
here.
pills today.
And you know why? You know why our videos are barely anything? Because you hogged them all. Okay, anyways. Okay, Lily, close your eyes.
I'm scared. Should I be scared?
Yeah, let's not do that one. No one will ever
What
guess
is
that.
it?
No one will ever guess that. Almond paste.
No
No one would ever.
Smells good.
No one would
I
ever.
could have guessed it was almond something. I know the smell of almonds.
Yeah,
And I think it's good.
I don't really know what the smell of almonds is.
Alrighty.
Cinnamon.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, guys. Close your eyes.
Wait, let me sniff.
Alrighty, your guys closed.
Should I be scared? Tell me if I should be scared.
Oh no, it's a really good smell.
Are you sure? I'm not trusting you after doing it. Oh, goodbye.
No, he smells a different one. Did you find girl?
What was it? What was the smell?
No, don't worry. This smells fine. Okay, he found a more disgusting one. Here, Lily, smell this.
Oh, that actually does smell. Shampoo.
No.
Dang it, what is it?
Okay, Jordan.
Some type of soap.
No.
Am I even inflamed?
Jordan did. Yes, you are. Jordan, you're back here.
Jordan,
Move back.
What is this?
Baby powder.
Problem is, I never had a younger sibling, so I wouldn't know that smell.
Okay, people. Okay, Jordan, your turn. Jordan, your turn.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. We're gonna grab one.
Okay.
There you go. Sniff that real good. Sniff that real good, man. This is what Andy does to you all the time.
Fart.
Ow.
I don't want to know.
Oh no! You just made a bad choice, buddy. Guys, look at the floor.
What have you done, Nicole? Oh, no.
My nose.
Disgusting!
Oh, disgusting!
Disgusting!
Okay, you know what? Fart is also being disposed of. Jordan,
No, Nicholas, give me that. Since this was did to me, I'll do it back. I'll do it to you.
no.
Yes. Liliana, hold her shirt down. Hold her shirt down.
Oh.
I'll rub it
No.
on your forehead. Nicholas, you don't let me.
No! He's
Jordan, Nicholas, you did it to me. I get to do it to you now.
You can do it to me when it's my turn. But this one's being disposed of.
No, this ain't being disposed of.
Okay, Jordan. Alrighty. Oh, you got it. Okay, you got that one? That one's for me? Alrighty.
I already showed the camera.
I'm gonna close. Everyone get back in your positions. Back in positions. Back in positions, people.
Dude! What did I do to you?
Everything.
Guys, you're wasting our time.
Okay. Hello, I am back.
Jordan, get back in here. Jordan, get back in.
I'm so... You little... Get back here.
We'll be back in a bit. Just a bit. Okay, now that I fixed that problem that they're having over there. Hey. Okay, give me my smell.
No, I'm gonna smell.
Cinnamon.
No, it's not.
Let me smell it again. Eggnog. Eggnog.
Nope. Want to know
Licorice.
it?
Yes.
It is clove.
Clove.
Yeah, I chose a good one for you.
Okay, Jordan, get back in your place.
Or is it just me that enjoys the smell of clove?
Jordan, get back in here. Get back in here. Get back in here.
It smells so good. Okay. Is it a good or bad smell?
Okay, people. She's never gonna guess this. Never ever. Cause like, I mean, it's pretty easy to guess. Like the smell is pretty easy, but with the way this smells, there's no way. So we're just gonna quickly.
I love it more. What the heck? Is that like... Wait, let me smell it again. What the heck is this? It smells like paper. I think you rubbed it too hard. Why did you just shove it in my face? Now I don't. Look, okay, what is it? What is it?
It's bacon.
That does not smell like bacon at all. How? What the heck? That was my eye!
Okay, guys, get back in your places.
Okay, here's his smell. Close your eyes. I have no idea what this is.
I want to see.
Let me smell. Close your eyes.
Don't close your eyes.
Okay, show the camera.
He needs to start closing his eyes when we actually tell him to.
Okay, show the camera.
I'm trying to get something that he doesn't know because he just saw that. So
1 second, guys.
yeah, we're just gonna pause the video. We found a really good smell for Jordan right here.
Why are we considered a kid-friendly channel if you see like 10-year-olds doing this?
Alrighty, anyways.
Well,
He should know this smell really well. Sometimes he has this. Oh! You're gonna be so mad when you figure out what it was. Okay. No.
what does it smell like?
Spaghetti?
No.
You?
No.
You?
No.
Okay, I got next one right here. I don't know what it is.
Do you give up? Popcorn?
Give up.
Caramel corn.
Okay, let's show him.
Corn.
You give up?
Corn.
No. Give up? Give up? Give up? Give up?
Sure. Oof.
Oh yeah, I know that smell. That's because I smell it almost every day. But it only happens whenever I'm talking to Nicholas. I wonder
No.
why.
It's usually Andy.
Okay,
I wonder why.
close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Mom.
I can smell it from here.
It's a strong smell. I can give you that. Smell it.
Is it good or bad? Wait.
I'm not saying. I just don't want to
That's
smell
garlic. That's garlic. That's gasoline. Oh, it's burning my eyes.
Jeez, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. I didn't know gasoline.
Pull down and sting it. Rub it on your nose.
Oh, that hurt.
Stop it. If it. We're disposing of this one.
No,
that one actually burns.
Oh God,
That
I
one
don't
burns.
smell it.
That one burns.
I'm sorry, I
bad.
didn't know. Here, I'll give you a good smell, okay? I need to find a good smell. Do you like the smell of lemon?
Yes.
Okay, here you go. Smell this.
It's Jordan's fault, not yours. Why are you locking it?
Oh, guys, I don't want to dispose of it.
It's dispose.
Smell this one.
So smell much better.
Let me smell.
We are disposing of this one.
Hey,
I'm
Liliana,
Okay.
Alrighty. Lily has her eyes closed. Masha.
Oh! And I'm leaving. I do not trust you guys.
Oh! He's trying to clench my anus. We're back again, finally. Alrighty, Lily, close your eyes. This one's a really good smell.
Really?
Oh! Pause the video. Listen to me.
What's happening? A big Satan!
Move back into frame. Sorry about that.
Somebody! Wait, what is...
Somebody tried to hurt me. Okay, this one can't take too long. Alrighty, I'm gonna show it to them. Close your eyes, Lily. This one smells really good. It almost smells like a dentist toothpaste.
I don't like the smell of toothpaste.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that actually does smell
yourself.
good.
You can smell it yourself. Alrighty, what do you think it smells
Please
like?
don't flip me over and click
Lemon?
the walls.
What do you think it smells like?
Mint.
Nope.
Lemon.
Nope.
Lemon.
No.
Spaghetti.
No.
Spaghetti.
Do you give up?
Yeah.